Ever found yourself scrolling through endless bank websites, wondering if you could just skip the branch visit and get your finances sorted from the comfort of your couch? Specifically, if you're eyeing a Westpac account, that question probably crossed your mind. Can I actually open a Westpac account online? Well, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and the idea of spending hours in a bank branch feels increasingly outdated. So, let's dive straight into the answer and then explore exactly how you can make it happen. The good news is, yes. Absolutely, you can open a Westpac bank account online. Westpac, like many major banks in Australia, has embraced the digital age, offering a streamlined process for new customers to get started without ever stepping foot inside a branch. This is a huge win for anyone who values their time or prefers the ease of online applications. Now that we've established that it's possible, let's talk about how you actually do it. The process is generally quite straightforward, designed to be user-friendly and efficient. You'll typically start by visiting the Westpac website. Look for a section dedicated to opening new accounts. It might be labeled something like Open an Account, Apply Online, or similar. Once you're there, you'll likely be presented with a range of account options. Westpac offers various types of accounts, from everyday transaction accounts to savings accounts and even specialized accounts. Take some time to browse through the options and identify the one that best suits your needs and financial goals. Consider factors like fees, interest rates, if applicable, and any specific features offered. After you've chosen your account type, you'll begin the application process. This will involve providing personal information such as your name, date of birth, contact details, including email address and phone number, and residential address. You'll also likely need to provide identification documents. This is a crucial step for security and compliance reasons. Typically, you'll be asked to upload copies or provide details from documents like your driver's license, passport, or national identity card. Make sure you have these documents readily available and that the copies you provide are clear and legible. The online application will also likely involve answering some questions about your employment status, income, and potentially your tax residency. Be prepared to provide accurate information as this helps Westpac understand your financial profile. As you progress through the application, you will probably have the opportunity to review the terms and conditions associated with the account you've chosen. It's always a good idea to read these carefully to understand any fees, charges, and account rules. Once you've filled in all the required information and uploaded any necessary documents, you will typically submit your application electronically. Westpac will then review your application, and in many cases, the approval process can be quite quick. You might receive confirmation via email or through the online portal. Depending on the type of account you've opened, you might receive your debit card and other account-related information in the mail. For some accounts, you might even be able to start using certain features digitally almost immediately. So, to reiterate, opening a Westpac account online is definitely a viable and convenient option. It saves you time and allows you to manage your banking from anywhere with an internet connection. Just be sure to have your identification documents handy and take your time to read through the application process and the terms and conditions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.